Hi there, hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can align HTML items vertically and horizontally center. And here you can see I'm using different CSS methods for aligning items. For full understanding this video, please watch till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a box and a button with HTML and CSS. I'm going to open the HTML and CSS file in Sublime Text. And here it is. Here is the index.html and the style.css. And inside the index.html, I have created some containers, and inside the container, I have taken some div with a class name of box. And inside the box, I have created this button with anchor tag and with class name of button, so I can design all of them at once. And now I'm going to show you the CSS codes for making these boxes and buttons. And here you can see the base style and the default styling. Here it is, the container style and container heading to style. After that, the color changing and the box style. And after that, this button with anchor tag. And here you can see all of the CSS codes that needed to design this button. And also I have given the button some hover effect. Now without spending any time, let's get started. So first, I'm going to use margins for aligning this button. For that, we need to select this button inside the margin. So selecting the margin ID with hashtag, and now the button. Here you can see we have taken the button with class name .btn. So .btn. And now we need to give the button a specific width. So I'm going to give it a width of 200 pixel. And after that, we need to make the button display block. And after that, we need to center align by margin left and right auto. I'm going to write margin right auto and margin left auto. Now save this one and reload the page. And here you can see our button is horizontally aligned to the center. And now we need to give some margin top to this button for aligning it vertically. So I'm going to give margin top 190 pixel. Save this one and reload the page. And here you can see our button is aligned vertically and horizontally, but this is not perfect. Now I'm going to show you how you can use text align. So we need to select the margin, duplicate this one and remove the button, and just write text align center and delete these things and save, reload. And here you can see it will do the same. And now I'm going to show you how you can use position for aligning this button. For that, we need to select this button inside the position ID. And here it is, here is the position. We need to copy this position and select the position ID. And inside the position, we need to select button and give it position absolute. Now before writing any further, we need to give the button container position relative. So I'm going to duplicate this again and delete this one and change this to relative. And now we need to give the button top 50% and left 50%. Now after that, we need to give some transform, translate minus 50% and minus 50%. It will drop the half height and half width of this button. So save this one and reload this page. And here you can see it is perfectly aligned center vertically and horizontally. Now I'm going to show you how you can use flexbox for doing that. So we need to select the flexbox, and here it is. Write display flex and align items center for vertically aligning the item center. Save this one and reload the page for seeing the change. And here it is, the button is perfectly vertically aligned to the center. Now I'm going to write justify content center for horizontally align this button. Reload this page, and here it is. Again, it is perfectly aligned. And now I'm going to show you how you can do it with grid. So we need to select the grid box. So go to HTML, and here it is, the grid ID. We need to copy this one and select the grid box. And inside the grid box, we need to give it display grid. and place items to center. Save this one and reload the page, and here it is also aligned perfectly to the center. So this is the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this one. And if you got any question about this process, please ask me down below in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Have good times.